This is question 13 of review 2. City had 135 buttons and 59 of the buttons were red and the rest were blue. Then they went on to tell you how much of the red buttons they used and how many more blue buttons was bought. So the first thing that we want to do is to draw a big bar, and we will divide it into 9 parts because it says here that 5 out of 9. So therefore, this is the denominator is the total. 5 out of 9 buttons were red and the rest were blue. So I will highlight that 5 units were red and the rest of them 4 units were blue. And since we know the total, we can actually already find out how many red and how many blue buttons there are respectively. Okay, so we can find out that 9 units equals to 135 and 1 unit equals to 135 divided by 9, which is 15. Okay, then we have red buttons, which is 5 units, and they are my red buttons, which is 15 times 5, which is 75, and my blue buttons is 4 unit, which is 15 times 4, 60. So these two numbers, 75 and 15, are my at first numbers for the red buttons and the blue buttons. After that, she used 64 red buttons, so 75 minus 64, and I'm left with 11 red buttons, and then I bought more blue buttons. Okay, so this is red at last. In the end, red buttons, there were 11 red buttons. She bought more blue buttons such that at the end she had 84 buttons all in all, which is here. Okay, so since we have 84 in total in the end, we have 11 of red in the end, so we know that 73 of them are blue at last. So we are interested to find out how many blue buttons did City buy. So since we have blue buttons in the end, which is 73, we have 60 at first, so the number of blue buttons that were bought will be 73 minus 60, which is 30, and this will be the answer. City bought 13 blue buttons.